A warm welcome everybody, once again here from my little basement-based diecast studio in Bavaria in Germany. Today's topic, Mini GT. We got 3 Lamborghinis we are going to take a look at, and this guy here is the first one. Let's bring down the camera a little. This is the Lamborghini Huracán Fighters Works from Liberty Walk body kit and deco. Then we got the next Liberty Walk version of the Lamborghini Huracán, version 1 black. And this guy here is the, I would say, only stock version. It's the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ Roadster in Bianco Canopus. I hope I said it right. And I would say, let's start with this one here. This is number 224. Got some licensing stuff on the back. And let's cut it open. So if this is the first video you're watching here on my channel, and if you're not familiar with Mini GT, normally they come in these really cool looking cardboard boxes with a pretty design, in my opinion. You have to be careful when you open them, that you don't damage the packaging. As you can see, the cars, there's a plastic piece inside that is protecting the car. Okay, what is this? This doesn't look good. Let's put the plastic piece back. So I don't know what that is. I hope it's just dirt. Can you see that here on the door? Normally these Mini GTs have a perfect quality, and okay, yeah, but these are paint chips, and that is very disappointing, to be honest. I mean, at least, or let's say, not too long ago, I opened some green lights and they all had quality issues. But normally, these Mini GTs are kind of perfect, and this is the first guy that has a really, big flaw that is disappointing. Anyways, let's go on. As you can see, this guy here has some lensed taillights, very cool wing. Normally Mini GTs have a metal body, metal base like this one. Sometimes the base says what kind of car it is. This one here doesn't. I don't know when they put these informations on there or when not. Lensed headlights, the Lamborghini badge on the hood. Normally these are rubberized mirrors, as you can see, which is kind of cool. Yeah, but to be honest, this guy here is not really exciting. I don't know what happened. Here on the door there's also kind of a paint flaw. Okay, I mean, to be honest, that's a huge disappointment. I don't know what happened here, and I don't know how such a car can pass the quality control. Yeah, disappointing. Anyways, that is diecast collecting. Let's see if this one is a roller. Yeah, it rolls, not too good. Yeah. So to be honest, I own, I would say, around 30 of these Mini GT cars so far, and only one had a quality issue, and this guy here is the second one. Yeah, not good, not good. So I hope the other two are better. Let's go on with this guy here. The Lamborghini Huracán from Liberty Walk version 1 black. By the way, number 234 if you're interested in. Okay, this does look better. Yeah, I really like the rims. Take a close look at them. So these, I don't know if you see it on camera, these are different rims. The one in the back has some depth in it. Looks really cool. Metal body, metal base as always. I love this, what is this, bronze color of the rims. Very, very cool. Here on the side, many of these Liberty Walk cars, the saying, imagining all the people living life in peace. Very important in these times. Front looks cool. Look at all these details, the Lamborghini badge on the hood, the lettering above the headlights. Let's take a look at the back. We have lensed taillights, a Liberty Walk number plate, blue exhaust tips, a lot of details. Very, very nice. And these rubberized mirrors. So this is the kind of car you expect from Mini GT normally. And normally you get it. We can, or let's see if this one is a roller first. It rolls. There's a very nice stance to it. Very cool. So this is, I got another one of these. I think this color is called Magic Bronze, I think. Also a very cool version. And as you can see, this one here, it's also these painted, so these mirrors. I don't know if it's rubber or plastic, but I think it's kind of hard to hit the same color as here on the metal. But normally they do a perfect job on that. So let's roll this guy here out of the picture and this one here in parking position. And let's go on with the last one. This guy here, Lamborghini Huracán in Fighters Works Deco. So yeah, I'm really excited about this one, and I hope this time I won't be disappointed. So this is number 258. So the box won't cooperate on this side. Okay. So the first thing you might notice, and I don't know why they do it, but look right here, this guy here has no details on the base. This one here has. So this one also looks fantastic. Can't see any quality issues, no flaws on the first view. Really, really cool. Also different rims on the front and the back. I think this deco looks really fantastic. Also the saying here on the door, imagine all the people living life in peace. You all might know it from the famous John Lennon song. Also cool. This lettering here on the windshield, top of the windshield. And as you can see, this is a right-hand drive version. A lot of details, as you can see. This is also LBWK here on the end plates of the wing. I love this part here of the wing, does look very cool. Nice rear end, LB Performance license plate, blue exhaust tips. Yeah. And once again, I'm always saying this, look at the mirrors. These are rubberized so that they don't break so easily. And once again, they hit the perfect color on these two. I think it's not so easy. But that is the quality normally you can expect from Mini GT. So this one here is a winner for sure, and I would say one of my favorite Mini GTs so far. I think I will do an episode of my favorite Mini GTs in the near future. This guy here, I'm sure, is in the top 10, no doubt. Let's see if it rolls. Yes, it does. Not as smooth as a Hot Wheels premium car, but it rolls. So we have two really cool cars and one. Let's put this thing here in the background. Always put the plastic piece back into the cardboard box if you own a bunch of these cars. If you mix them up, it's hard to find the right plastic piece for the right car, because they are all specially made for that car that it comes with. So as I said, two really cool cars and one huge disappointment in my opinion here on the side. This big paint chip, I don't know how that happened. I don't think it was on the way it came to me in the shipping process. I don't think so. It looks like dirt, but it's a really big paint chip. And I also here on the wing went something wrong. So this is really bad. I have to say that. Anyways, this happens. If you did like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I say thank you for watching. Happy hunting, see you next time. Bye.